Welcome to ASC Tutorials. Today I'm going to draw a simple tree. I'm going to choose a pressure brush for starters since I've seen most people use the default brush pack. To start, draw a very long V, drawing a line underneath to indicate the trunk. The first thing to remember is that fundamentally, a tree is a fractal. One trunk branches off into two main branches, with those branches having their own split-off points, and so on. I prefer to alternate between sides of the branch to split off, like so. Create a new layer and make the fractal tree layer opacity 20 to 30%. Use the framework to make the trunk and branches thicker. Next, we add leaves. I'm doing a simple stroke alongside the branches, which is the quickest way you can draw leaves. You want the leaves to form a little V for each pair. Make sure to stop adding leaves right before the trunk, or else the leaves will look like a mess, just like how I drew it. Next, a darker shade underneath the lighter shade. It will act like a leaf shadow. You want the shading to be opposite of where you determine your light source to be. Add a lighter color on top of the base color, opposite side of the shading color, keeping in mind the light source. I will go into light source in a later video. On the trunk, pick a darker color and add a few lines running down the side. Do the same with the lighter color, keeping the lighting to one half of the trunk. And that's it, how to draw a simple tree. If you have any suggestions on what I should cover how to draw, make sure to leave a comment. Until next time on ASC Tutorials.